Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. We're on our way to the trail. Uh-oh. Are we gonna do jumping jacks?
I guess you don't want to do jumping jacks.
I don't want to do any of these.
You don't?
No.
No.
How about walking heel kicks? Lunge overhead. Do you need to rest already?
There's trees behind us.
Yeah,
You don't want to go by?
yeah,
Go ahead.
yeah. Everybody's walking this trail. Uh-oh, does Mia need to do calf stretches? No, you don't want to do it against the tree? Do you see anything on the trail?
No.
No?
Except for this. That's making the trail a bit wobbly. And going to walk up.
Wow, this is a nice trail though, isn't it? And I see Mia.
There's nothing here.
Do you want to do arm circles?
No.
Are you sure?
That's why that little pathway's always there.
Right.
I always wonder.
Well, we don't have to wonder anymore.
No, we're going to go on it.
What do we do here? You stop and look for traffic both ways, right? You didn't look.
This way.
You sure it's this way?
Yeah.
Do you think we'll run into any wild animals?
Maybe.
You think so? What kind?
Deer.
A deer?
Or
Ooh.
maybe even Santa's reindeer.
Santa Claus's reindeer could be here. You're right. What about snakes? You think any snakes?
Yes.
We'll have to watch for them, huh?
We need to keep our eyes peeled because I don't know what creatures can pop out.
Do you think we'll survive this trail?
I do not know.
Oh. Uh-oh. Do we have to do a mulch pit crab crawl?
No.
Where do you do that?
I guess on the ground. Look at how tall these pine trees are. Whoa.
They remind me of mommies. These mommies are like maybe that tall.
Yeah,
Is she in the backyard?
I know they are big.
Don't know why they're so big. And they just tall. That's a big log that's cut down.